So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, if you like videos like this, then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. But let's get right into this hair review. So the company ReadyWig was nice enough to send me this wig over, and as you can see, it is a green wig. That's what it's called. It's the green wig, but I'll leave everything else below. So let's get into the pros. So as you can see, this color is definitely, it's giving. It's giving, is it not? Is it giving? Is it giving, y'all? I think it's giving. I think it's giving, y'all. So the color and the style of this, the style of this hair is just like so cute and like effortless. This is like the perfect style for you to go anywhere with, you know what I'm saying? It's not a hassle or anything like that. You don't have to do anything. It's kind of like one of those effortless curl styles, and this is right up my alley, baby. So now the cons with this wig. Like, the cons with this wig is you do not get any parting space hardly. Like, that's one thing that they need to work on, like the parting space. But when I don't have parting space, I just do a off-center part, because like it's kind of like you have to, you know what I'm saying? So I just do it diagonal in the way that, because it comes to like, yeah, this might be 3 inches, and I'm being nice, 3 inches. But I mean, you can work with that, you know what I'm saying? You can work with that. And another con is it sheds and it tangles, but it is synthetic, so that's, you know, warranted. So you guys, overall, like, if you need a costumey wig, or you need like something that you want to pop for just a night, this is the wig for you. If you're looking for longevity and stuff like that, no, it's not the wig for you. It's not the wig. It's not the wig for you. But if you're looking for like a cute, you want to slay real quick, like you want to go out and slay real quick, like, I think this will work for you. So thank you, ReadyWig, for sending me this wig over. I appreciate you all. It's like a silky texture, and I would say it's big hair friendly. It did come with like a plucked hairline. I do like that. I mean, it could be more plucked, but I do like that it came with a plucked hairline, because this color, you know, it can, you know, it just looks more natural like this. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, you need to subscribe. Like, come on, enjoy the Infinity Gang. Join, like, oh wait, under the sea, hey, take it from me. Is that even the words? Like, oh, I don't know. But thank you guys, and see y'all next video.